welcome to my kitchen. So I thought I might do a different type of video today. This is me, regular me. This is how I look on a day-to-day basis. And I'll be making fried tilapia, some cassava, which is cassava leaves, and nishima. So if you're interested in seeing how I cook this, then stay tuned. Okay, so this is my fish. I've cleaned it, I've removed the gills. It was already cleaned anyway, just the gills. I don't like having gills in my fish. So and that's the pondu, which is katapa or cassava leaves in English. Okay, so I'll be using the seasoning and a lime just to slightly season it. I don't really do much seasoning, I just get a little bit like that. Make sure that you add it inside as well, but be careful with the bones because you might just hurt yourself. Okay, I'm then going to place the fish on an elevated bowl like this, just to let it drip away, because I find that when you let the juices just drip or soak in, or whichever, it's easier to fry it and it won't stick to the pan. Next, I'm going to get a little small pot like that, and then I'm going to pour in the defrosted pondu or katapa. I poured in the entire packet, and I'm going to just add some water to this, then just bring it to a boil. Add more than enough water because these leaves need to properly boil. Next, get 2 medium onions like so, and then obviously chop it up. I'm just going to prepare everything that I need for the katapa and also for our fish. So next you're going to put in some palm oil, peanut butter, and some tomato paste, as well as some onions to the mix. For extra flavor, I'm going to add some ground crayfish. So my fish is frying away beautifully. I've added, as you can see, I've added a little bit of garlic. I tend to add in a clove of garlic just to infuse the oil and add flavor to the fish. So here you go then, guys. This is the end result of my frying session. I then reduce the oil a bit, and then I'm going to start with frying my onions and ginger. Okay, once the onions are translucent, just squeeze in a bit of tomato puree. I will add some hot paprika as well. And then add your chopped tomatoes. Not the whole thing, just about enough. Okay, so there you have it. My katapa is now ready to be served. Okay, so this is the end result. Fried tilapia, some sauce, and cassava leaf stew with some shima.